Sairam children, let us continue with chapter number 6, The Food We Eat, part 2. Every day we eat pulses. What are pulses? Pulses are dried seeds of food plants such as beans or peas that are used as food. Children, can you identify some pulses from this picture? Yes, children? Yes? Can you see rajma, soya bean, peas? We call it matar, right? Then chickpeas or kabuli chana, different types of dals. Yes. So these are called pulses. Followed, and they are the dried seeds. Pulses are popular in all parts of the country. Rajma, chickpeas or kabuli chana, arhar dal and moong dal are pulses that are eaten in many parts of India, though they are called by different names. Yes, children, the first picture, can you see it? Yes, it is rajma. The second one is kabuli chana or chickpeas. Then the next one, arhar dal. In Maharashtra, we call it tur dal. Then in the second line, the first one is moong dal, then masoor dal. After that, urad dal, which is used for making idli, dosas. And the next one, the last one is chana dal. Okay, when we grind chana dal in a powder form, we call it as besan. Besan is used for making different types of pakoras, right, children? Your mother must be using it. All these things are available in the kitchen. You can find them in the kitchen. Follow, children? Children, view this map carefully. Yes, this map is showing pulses growing states in India. Follow, children? See, this map has three colors, right? One dark yellow, then light yellow and very light yellow, right? So the dark yellow color, such as Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. These four places are grow. These four places grow pulses on a very large quantity, on a very large scale. Follow, children, and the places like Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. I'm just putting a tick over here. Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, they are also very good in producing pulses, but not like Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. And the other places, such as, I'm just circling it, I'm putting a circle: Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Assam, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, Tamil Nadu. These are the places where pulses are also grown, but not at a very large quantity. But these places also grow pulses in small quantity. Followed, children? Followed the differences? Okay. Now, children, we have learnt about food grains and pulses. Now, along with food grains and pulses, fruits and vegetables also form a part of the Indian meal. Followed, fruits and vegetables are also part of Indian meal. In the first chart, Yes, you can identify the pictures. Yes, in the first chart you can see food grains, wheat, rice, jawar, corn. In the second chart, you can see the names of pulses, rajma, chickpea or kabuli chana, arhar dal, moong dal. And next we can see many types of fruits and vegetables. So let us learn about fruits and vegetables. Yes, children, can you name the pictures? Yes, the first picture is showing apples, right? Then the next one, cherries, and the last one is strawberries. Now, here map is given, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, both are union territories. Now, Jammu and Kashmir is famous for its apples. Okay, it is famous for its apples. It is also famous for cherries and strawberries. Now, apples, cherries and strawberries, they grow in cold climate. And the climate of the Jammu and Kashmir is very cold. Therefore, Jammu and Kashmir is famous for apples, cherries and strawberries. Now, in this picture you can see apricots. What is the name of this fruit? Apricots, right? Now, apricots are grown well in Ladakh. Ladakh is also the name of Union Territory. So Ladakh is famous for its apricots. For its apricots. The climate of Ladakh is suitable for the cultivation of apricots. Children, on the left hand side you can view a map. This map is the part of India, of northern India. Now, you can see different places located, right? What are the names? Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, right? Now, where is Himachal Pradesh? This yellow region, yellow color. Can you identify? Yes, can you identify? Yellow color. Followed. This is Himachal Pradesh. I have circled it. Himachal Pradesh is very famous for its apples. Followed, children, it is very famous for its apples. The soil of Himachal Pradesh and the climate of Himachal Pradesh is very favorable, or you can say suitable, for apple cultivation, for growing apples. Now, children, this is the map of Maharashtra. Okay, in this map you can find so many places, right? These are the districts of Maharashtra. There are many districts in Maharashtra. Now, Nagpur is one of the districts in Maharashtra, and Nagpur is very famous for which fruit? Which fruit, children? Yes, you can view the picture. Yes, oranges. So Nagpur is very famous for its oranges. Followed, because the climate of the Nagpur, the soil of the Nagpur is very suitable for the cultivation of sweet and delicious oranges. Children, this is the map of Maharashtra. Now, there are many places located at the coast of Maharashtra. Can you name them? Yes, Thane, Raigad, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurg. Now, on the left hand side, you can see a box of mangoes, right? And see what is the name of these mangoes. It is written, you can just read the name. I'm just circling it. Alfonso mangoes. The place called Ratnagiri, okay? Which place? Ratnagiri, okay? Ratnagiri is very famous for its Alfonso mangoes. Why, children? because the soil, the climate of Ratnagiri is suitable for cultivation of Alfonso mangoes. And Alfonso mangoes are so sweet and delicious that they are sent all across the world. Okay, Alfonso mangoes are exported exported to different parts of the world. Followed, children? Uttar Pradesh. Can you locate Uttar Pradesh? Where is Uttar Pradesh? Yes, this green color region. Okay, Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Now, Uttar Pradesh is very famous for its Daseri mangoes. Even you must have tasted, right? Now we can get Dasari mangoes in market. So Uttar Pradesh is famous for Dasari mangoes. The climate, the soil of Uttar Pradesh is good for cultivating Dasari mango. Dasari is the name of mangoes, like Alfonso mango in Ratnagiri. Same way, Dasari mangoes are cultivated in the soil of Uttar Pradesh. Children, can you name the fruit shown in this picture? Yes, the pineapples. The pineapples grown in Assam, Goa, and Kerala are really sweet. Okay, now where is Assam? It is in eastern part of India, here, Assam. Okay, then Goa, coastal region. Okay, Goa and Kerala. Pineapples of Assam, Goa, and Kerala are very sweet. Coconuts grow in the coastal states such as Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Can you locate Kerala and Tamil Nadu in this map? Yes, children. Yes, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Okay, these two places, or you can say coastal states, are famous for coconuts. Okay, for coconut cultivation. Now, children, you have learned that different fruits grow in different states of our country. Right, children? Such as Kashmir is famous for its apples, cherries, and strawberries. Himachal Pradesh is famous for its apples and Ladakh for apricots. Nagpur in Maharashtra is famous for its oranges. The world famous Alfonso mangoes are grown in Ratnagiri in Maharashtra, and the Daseri mangoes come from Uttar Pradesh. The pineapples grown in Assam, Goa, and Kerala are really sweet. Coconut grows in the coastal states such as Kerala and Tamil Nadu. But children, did you know which fruit is the king of the fruits? Yes, do you know the name of the king of the fruits? Yes, the mango is called the king of fruits. More than 1,000 varieties of mangoes are grown in India, and therefore mangoes are exported to different parts of the world from India. Children, wherever you may be living in India, in any part of India, right, children, you can get to eat all these fruits. This is because fruits and vegetables are easily transported by boats, trucks, trains, and even aeroplanes to far off areas. You can see the picture. In the first picture, fruits are there, fruits and vegetables. Yes, in the next picture, you can see boat loaded with fruits and vegetables. Then truck, truck is also loaded with fruits. Then this one is the train, the wagon of train. Yes, inside this wagon, fruits and vegetables are stored. Then you can see the aeroplane. Yes, yes, carrying fruits and vegetables to far off areas. So these are the means of transport which carry fruits and vegetables to far off areas. Let us do a small recap by doing this exercise. Match the following. Now, Kashmir. Kashmir is famous for its, yes, children, Kashmir is famous for its apples. The next place is Ladakh. Ladakh is famous for its, yes, children, apricots. Nagpur, yes, Nagpur is a place of Maharashtra. It is famous for oranges. Ratnagiri is famous for Alfonso mangoes. Uttar Pradesh is famous for Dasheri mangoes. Dasheri mangoes. Assam is famous for pineapple. Followed, children. And Kerala, the coastal state, yes, it is famous for coconuts. So we have come to the end of this session. In the next session, we will again meet. Till that time, stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you.